Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Microsoft price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting on the monthly chart for the overview. Where are we and where are we heading? For Microsoft, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, a finished wave A or a wave 1. After this, we are looking at a correction here as an A, B and a C, finishing a wave B or a wave 2. After this A, B, and a C, we're looking at a 1, 2, and then big massive wave 3 toward the upside, and continuation after a wave 4 and a 5 currently, which we are looking in the top here and probably still looking for one more leg toward the upside to finish this wave 5. Unless it can be that your wave 5 can be finished, of course, as a much more extended wave 5 and or shorter, and that because of course your wave 3 based on your wave 1 here is not a very extended wave 3, and of course is very short. Yeah, we did not reach at least the minimum requirement for a wave 3 in 1.27, yeah, which is the minimum requirement here. So basically we are still here in a wave 1 2 probably, but this might be as well another wave 1 2 3 4 5 of your wave 3, and that's why of course I didn't have the target yet until of course we reach around this area. So by all means, this might be of course your big wave 1 2 here for Microsoft, and then you are looking for another 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5, unless of course you are bearish here rather than bullish, and you're looking at an ABC finish toward the upside, and you would like to see of course a move toward the downside. So this wave C here, of course, let's put it in the magenta for the bearish always, and the yellow for the bullish. Here we go. And yeah, so possibly, of course, that we might finish here a wave 5 with a wave C and start to move towards the downside. Of course, anyway, it's gonna finish a wave 1 as well and start to move towards the downside, meaning this can be anyway a wave 1 or a wave C. In your wave 1, you would like to have a wave 2 and then continuation for higher. In case you are wave C, you will look for lower, but even much more lower, and yeah, in 3 corrective waves to create 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then continuation toward the upside. So these are possibly, of course, the scenarios between bullish and bearish on the monthly. Now let's take an overview inside this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We are currently inside this wave 5 toward the upside. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's move inside the daily, of course, to see a much more clearer view what we are looking at here. We have a 1 and 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5. Very nice, of course, and finished a wave 5 very probably, of course. And yeah, but if you take a look here, I would say that this is not a finished wave 5. I would say this is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, your wave 3 is not finished yet, because your wave 3 has to be also 1, 2, 3, yeah, and then 4 and a 5. Meaning, if you are in a bigger 1, 2 here, let's put this in white a little bit to be much more seen. I would say this was your wave 3 and this is your wave 4. And that because your wave 3 has to be impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. And this is a range of a wave 4, much more likely than a wave 5 here finished, and that you are looking for lower. Yeah. So basically this is a wave 4. I would say your wave 4, it might be a triangle formation here as an A, B, C, D, E, and then looking for higher prices. Yeah, so these are the possibilities on this area. Let's move inside this correction to see what's going on. So are we in a triangle here? Somehow like this for a consolidation, of course, between the price action. So this can be, of course, an A, B, C, and you're looking for a D and another wave E to finish wave 4 and moving for higher, of course, later on. Another scenario can be an A, B, and a C toward the downside, of course, finishing a lower price action for a wave 5 here, 4, and then moving for a wave 5. Yeah, so these are the possibilities where we might, of course, have yeah, 2 scenarios. So basically, I would say as well that yeah, this wave 5 still need time to, of course, unfold and to see some continuation for higher probably, but maybe first we need one more correction. Again, if we finish this wave 5, you will finish here with it, this impulse toward the upside, right, as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let's put this in a yellow, by the way. It's much more nicer. Here we go. Yeah, so in this case, you are looking for to finish this wave 5 in the yellow. Here we go, there. And then finishing with it wave C or a wave 1. Yeah, so nobody know. If we have a wave 1, bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, so it is another scenario. This is your blue count here because we are in double 1, 2s. Therefore, yeah, so let's put this here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is your wave 2. And then 3, 4, and a 5, right, toward the upside. Your wave 5 will finish a wave 3 in the yellow, then 4 and a 5 for the yellow. So double for 5 as well in the top. Meaning, on the bigger view here, we are looking for something like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. Yeah, that's a nice chart, nice price action, perfect Elliott wave scenario. And yeah, so let's wait and see. Basically, on the 4-hour chart, what we are expecting next, of course, is a wave D toward the upside. Your wave D has to be a zigzag, of course. As you can see, you have zigzag down, zigzag up, zigzag down, one more up, and then one more down, and then continuation toward the upside. Unless we are impulsive here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somehow, yeah, but it doesn't look like. And you are in 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, not really good. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2 means 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. That's very deep. Other scenario can be an ending diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somehow like this, finishing an A, B, and a C, but it might be truncated. Why? Because your wave 3 are very shallow and very close to your wave 1, meaning your wave 5, well, it still can be. It depends on your wave 4, actually. If we take the fib levels here, it depends where your wave 4 is gonna land. Yeah, let's say in the middle here, and then of course this is a virtual target, guys. So yeah, look at your targets. It might be truncated, so very low possibility, I would say. We're gonna see, but so we are still currently in a correction. I think the best way here to get the perfect targets for a wave 4 is by having this. We would like to hit the 0.23, which is already hit, yeah, meaning it might be more than enough to move for higher in a triangle because you already hit the 0.23, and of course highest possibility, and it might be of course a little bit lower between those fib levels. So probably this is our blue box here where we have already touched it and ready to move for higher. So I think it could be a possibility, an opportunity, I mean, and then of course moving for higher probably. Now it depends also, your wave C can be still unfolding as well and moving for a wave D later on. Correction. We cannot trade a correction. No financial advice, of course. Trade safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.